Have you ever asked yourself the question, are we doing a good job of sorting our waste? Let's look at the reality of waste treatment in Vietnam. Our waste treatment facilities are overloaded, and many of our daily practices contribute to widespread pollution. These practices are causing significant harm to our living environment. But don't worry, waste classification can help. Classifying and sorting waste is a part of waste management, which helps to reuse our resources and reduce what we send to landfills. If we have less landfill waste and more recyclable waste, we can support a circular economy and show the impact of a sustainable lifestyle. Garbage is actually an invaluable resource if we treat it correctly. So, at RMIT, we're running a campaign called the 7 R's: Rethink, Refuse, Reduce, Reuse, Repair, and Recycle. The 7th R is for RMIT. So let's show you how by helping you understand the new way to sort waste. We have organic waste, such as food leftovers and liquids, mixed recycling, which includes plastic bottles, aluminum cans, and glass bottles, paper and cardboard, which includes, well, paper and cardboard. There's also clean plastic, which includes plastic bags, any snack packages, and also styrofoam. But don't forget to clean it before dropping it in. For the landfill bin, toss any items that don't belong in the other bins. Let's not send any items there that we can give a second life. For instance, bottles and cans can be remade into a variety of items like shirts and bags. Organic waste can have a second life as compost materials or food for animals. Clean plastic can be repurposed as furniture and even building materials for housing. Recycled paper can be remade into packaging. The remaining garbage that is not recyclable will go to the landfill. A zero-waste lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. So let's get to sorting and have a positive impact starting today.